Ayun mga ka-Blind Explorer, so ayun welcome naman sa bago nating video. So ngayon, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is kung papaano papalitan ang desired language na sinasabi ng TTS or screen reader mo. Make sure nyo lang pala guys na pag mag-change kayo sa Filipino, ang gamit nyo is speech recognition and synthesis from Google. So ngayon guys, sa video natin ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ng ah ituturo ko sa inyo ng malinaw kung paano ito gagawin. So simulan natin. So muna, punta tayo sa settings.
TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, My Files, Play Store, Voice Change, Settings,
Settings.
Application Icon, Settings, Sign in, Mobile Network, Connect, Wallpapers, and Home Screen and Lock
Hanapin
Screen,
nyo dito yung additional settings.
Display, Sound, Notification, Apps, Secure, Location, Safe, Battery, Special Features, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, Additional Settings,
So additional settings.
Additional Settings,
Pag nahanap nyo na yan, hanapin nyo dito yung accessibility.
Navigate up, Additional Settings, System Navigation Buttons, Language and Region, App Languages, Keyboard and Input Method, Date and Time, Accessibility,
Accessibility.
Accessibility,
So madali lang pala to guys.
Navigate up, button,
At kung ano pala guys, ito, may tips pa ako sa inyo kapag, halimbawa kapag nag-change kayo ng language, mag-iiba na rin yung boses niyan. So kung gusto nyo palitan yung boses, pumunta lang kayo. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Accessibility, Convenience, Press, Accessibility menu show frequently, More, Down, Vision, Top, Select to speak here, Jishua, Text to speech settings,
Hanapin nyo dito yung text-to-speech settings muna.
Text to speech settings,
Yan, text-to-speech.
Text to speech settings, Navigate up, Text to speech settings, Preferred engine ETI Eloquence TTS,
So isa-set muna natin to sa,
Preferred engine, Navigate up, button,
yan.
Preferred engine, Jishua Plus, Radio button no selected, Prudent screen reader, ETI, Speech recognition and synthesis from
Speech
Google, Radio button no selected,
recognition and synthesis from Google. Ito na lang.
Not selected, Navigate up, Preferred engine, Back,
So,
Text to speech
nakita
settings,
nyo ang language niya is,
Navigate up,
tingnan
button,
natin.
Text to speech settings, Preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis, settings, Language English United States,
English United States yung language niyan. So, try na natin. Pindutin natin yan.
Language, Language, Use system language, Albanian, Radio
So,
button no selected,
halimbawa, yan.
Arabic, Radio button, Assamese, India, Radio, Bangla, Bangladesh, Bangla, India, Bodo, India, Bosnian, Bulgarian, Bulgaria, Catalan, Spain,
So,
Radio
yan,
button no
ang dami
selected,
kang pagpipilian.
Chinese, China, Radio button no select, Chinese, Taiwan, Radio button no selected,
So, try natin to.
Text to speech settings, Navigate up, Text to speech, Preferred engine speech recognition, settings, Language Chinese, speech rate, Slide bar 14%, Pitch, Pattern Play sample, button,
So, may play sample na dito. So, wala. Ayan, halimbawa, ayan, walang nagsasalita, ibig sabihin, wala siyang voice data. So, para mag-install lang tayo ng voice data niya.
Navigate up, Text to speech, Preferred engine, settings, button,
So, punta tayo dito sa settings niya.
Google TTS options, Google TT, navigate up, length, use Wi-Fi only download voices, install voice data,
Install voice data.
Google TTS voice data,
So, dito ka na mamili. Yan.
Bodo, India, Bosnian, Bulgaria, Chinese, Taiwan,
So, itong Chinese Taiwan.
Chinese, Taiwan, navigate up, Chinese, downloading, cancel voice pack download, button, downloading, cancel voice pack download, button,
So, ayan, nagda-download pa daw. So, ganun lang para mag-download ka ng mga voice sa, kasi kada language, kasi sa English United States, meron ng 8 voices.
navigate up, Chinese, Taiwan, downloading, cancel voice pack download, button,
Nagda-download pa daw. So, ang sa English United States na voices, meron doon mga 8. Ayun, 8 na voices. Sa Filipino, meron ding 4. Basta yan hindi ko lang alam sa iba kasi ang ginagamit ko lang naman na language is yung Filipino o di kaya yung yung English United States. Yan mga ka-blind explorer.
navigate up, button, Chinese, Taiwan voices, downloading, cancel voice pack download,
So
button,
ayan, so ika-cancel ko na lang kasi
Navigate up. Chinese Taiwan. Canceling. Navigate up. But Chinese Taiwan. Canceling. Navigate. Chinese Taiwan. Canceling. Navigate up. Button. Canceling. Navigate up. Button. Google TT.
So,
Navigate.
ganun
Chinese
lang
Taiwan.
guys.
Google TTS. More options. Chinese China. Chinese Taiwan. Chinese Taiwan. Google TT. Chinese Taiwan. Canceling. Navigate up.
So,
Button.
ayan.
Back.
Ganun
Button.
lang guys. So,
Google TTS
try
voice
naman
data.
natin
Chinese
yung
Taiwan voices.
Filipino.
Back. Button. Google TTS option. Navigate. Install voice. Back.
So,
Button.
back pa tayo ng isa.
Text to speech. Text. Preferred. Settings. But. Language Chinese Taiwan.
Ayan, naka-Chinese Taiwan
Language.
pa.
Language. Use system language. LB. Dutch. English. English India. English.
So,
English United Kingdom. Radio button no selected. English
Ayan,
United States. Radio
yung
button no
mga
selected.
voices na yan.
Estonian. Filipino. Philippines.
So,
Radio
ito,
button no selected.
Filipino, Philippines. Yan.
Text to speech setting. Navigate up.
Wait
Button.
lang.
Back. Accessibility. Prudent screen reader turned off.
Ayan.
Prudent screen reader turned on.
Yan.
Preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis.
Setting. Language Filipino, Philippines. Speech rate.
Ayan, nakikita nyo, Tagalog na yung sinasabi nyo.
Slide bar 14%.
Ayan, ganyan yung voices sa Filipino.
Pattern explore touch helper 14%. Teach. Slide bar 21%. Pattern. Play sample.
So, play,
Play sample,
sample.
button.
Yan.
Isa itong halimbawa ng pangungusap sa wikang Filipino.
Tapos, kung gusto nyo namang palitan, punta tayo sa...
Navigate up.
Text to speech. Preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis from Google.
Preferred engine.
So, hindi pala yun dyan,
Back.
guys.
Text to preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis.
Settings button.
So, papakita ko na rin sa inyo yung iba, guys. Yung ETI Eloquence.
Google TTS
Pwede rin
options.
naman, kaso walang Filipino.
Google TT. Navigate up. Install voice data.
Walang
Google TTS voice data.
Walang Filipino na language sa ETI Eloquence. Mga 10 language na nga tayong
Navigate.
nandun eh.
Google.
More options.
Bulgarian, Bulgaria. Cantonese. Czech. Croat. Dogri. Dutch.
So, napin natin yung Filipino.
English United.
Estonian, Estonia. Filipino, Philippines.
Yan, Filipino.
Google T. Filipino. Size, alternation 11. Delete voice pack, button. Radio button not selected voice.
Radio button no selected. Play sample text for voice I button.
So, yan, may mga play sample na.
Isa itong halimbawa ng pangungusap sa wikang Filipino.
So, ito maganda to. So,
Radio
ito
button
na
no selected.
lang. Yan.
Play sample text.
Radio button not selected voice 2.
Yan.
Back button. Google TTS voice data. Filipino, Philippines, voices. Back. Google TTS option. Navigate. Back button.
So, try
Text to
naman
speech settings.
natin sa ETI Eloquence.
Navigate.
Text to speech settings. Preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis from Google.
Preferred engine. Navigate up. Preferred engine. Jishua Dagdag. Radio button not selected.
Prudent screen.
ETI Eloquence TTS. Radio button not selected. Attention. Okay.
So,
Button.
pag may nakita kayong ganyan, okay niya.
Not selected. Navigate up. Preferred engine. Jishua Dagdag. Radio button not selected. Preferred. Navigate up.
Speech recognition.
Back.
Text to speech settings.
So, papalitan ko lang sa Prudent Screen Reader muna, guys, yung para nyo.
Prudent screen reader. Prudent accessibility.
TTS settings.
TTS balance. Slide bar 1.
TTS balance.
So, ang dami kasing voice dito, guys, eh.
Prudent screen reader.
Jishua Dagdag. Prudent. ETI Eloquence TTS.
So, ito na. Ayan, ito na si ETI. Ay, hindi, wag na lang pala, guys. Balik ko na lang dun sa speech recognition kasi baka hindi nyo maintindihan kasi recording tayo by internal audio and microphone. So, kapag sa internal audio kasi hindi gumagana si ETI Eloquence, hindi nyo naririnig. So, ibalik ko na lang dun sa speech recognition na lang muna. Ayan.
TTS. ETI Eloquence TTS. Back button.
Prudent screen reader.
So, ayan.
Back button.
Text to speech settings. Text to
Settings button.
So, ito na lang muna yung gagamitin ko.
language English United States.
Speech rate.
Language English United States.
So, tingnan natin.
Preferred engine ETI Eloquence TTS.
Ayan, preferred engine. So, play muna natin
Slide bar.
yung sample.
Speech. Slide bar. Pattern. Play sample
So,
button.
may play sample dito. So, baka hindi niyo naririnig yung pinlay ko na sample.
Slide bar 20. Speech. Slide bar 14%. Speech rate.
Language English United States.
So,
Settings.
Language English United States.
yan. So, dito sa language, pwede nyo
Language.
na mapalitan.
Language.
Use system language. English United Kingdom. Radio button
So, try
selected.
natin tong English United Kingdom.
Text to speech settings.
Navigate up.
Text to speech.
Preferred engine ETI eloquent. Settings. Language English, United Kingdom.
So,
Speech rate.
play ko ulit.
Slide bar 14.
Baka hindi nyo marinig guys
Speech.
ha.
Slide bar 21%. Pattern explore touch helper 21%. Please sample. Button.
So, ganun lang siya guys. So, ayan, kung gusto nyong palitan yung yung language ng text to speech nyo, ganun lang siya kadali. So,
Pattern explore. Slide bar 20. Speech.
wait lang,
Slide
balik ko
bar
na lang
14%.
doon sa
Speech rate. Language English. Set. Language English.
balik ko na lang
Language.
doon sa,
Use system language. English United States. Radio button.
balik ko na lang
Text to
sa
speech settings.
English United States. So, ganun lang
Back.
guys kadali. Ayan, kung may mga iba pa kayong question, ayan, mga ka-blind explorer. Ayan, kung may iba pa kayong mga question, comment lang kayo. At kung hindi ka pa pala
Notification shade.
nakapag-subscribe sa
Clear all notifications. But
kung
text
hindi
to
pa
speech
kayo
settings.
nakapag-subscribe dito sa YouTube
Notification
channel ko, please subscribe and i-like at i-share nyo ang mga video natin para makakuha pa tayo ng maraming views. So,
Silent disable. Tools. Stop.
ayun lang guys. See you in next video.